Hi everybody. A243, A244 on 春晚243、244今日上咗荃灣線。It belongs to 將軍澳9呢架係屬於將軍澳線。Wait, let me fix it. I don't have OCD. I'm just fixing our hand now. 我就係整翻個扶手啫，我冇強迫症嘅。Enjoy the video， 跟住我哋片下。
车厢里严禁进食。Your attention, please. Eating or drinking is not allowed on trains or in the paid areas of stations.
When 979, either 9 from that episode, starting from that episode, I will try to film as much M-Train Transline as possible because, well, I now know I did. Try to capture the last moments on Transline, even if they're not going to retire. 我就想亦漫遊197行港島線嗰集，我係會盡量一有2線，我會盡量預留時間過去影嘢，因為我依家係知道要珍惜㗎啦。Basically I have to treasure the last moments on M-Train's last moments on Transline, no matter any generation. 1, 2, or 3, whatever. If they go on Transline, then I will try to reserve time. 我會盡量預留時間嘅。如果有 M-Train 行2線 because 我唔理邊代1、2定係3，我都會盡量珍惜。Okay, serious question. Some of you guys asked me to bring a mic with me because of the noise. And I will make a poll on this when I'm like way before you will see this video. 我會俾你大家投票。I know you guys won't care, so do you guys want me to actually keep the mic in somewhere I can remember to bring it out next time or no? 你哋係咪想我擺支咪落去嘅？如果你想每一條片都用咪嘅話，你都唔會聽到有啲嘢叫做有啲鬼叫啊、大摩打啊、行雷震動啊嗰啲，你唔會聽到噶啦。一成，我哋改下。
请勿靠近车門，請不要靠近車門。Please stand back from the train doors.